Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of Stealing from the Greats, a daily segment where I break down the best subscription signups out there and celebrate small but great subscription brands. Today I'm looking at MUD WTR. MUD WTR is a big staple of the direct-to-consumer community. It's a big subscription box pioneer and does a lot of things that we could learn from. So we're going to do that right now. As always, I look at three main things when it comes to a good subscription sign-up flow, and that is, does it sell the brand, does it sell the product, and does it sell the subscription? So those are the three main features that we're going to be looking at and picking out do's and don'ts so we can apply to our own website. Now, what we're also going to look at, or I should mention this, is that it's built, MUD WTR is built on Recharge and on Shopify. So just so you know. Now, as always, we're going to start with the brand driver. And if I'm cold to this brand, if I know nothing about them, and if I land on this homepage, do I know what they do and do I know if it's good for me? So the first main header on the hero banner is energy and focus without the jitters. So it's a good product positioning statement, but it's not necessarily a clear brand positioning statement. So the product we know the benefits of right away, but I don't really know what this brand is about just yet. So I'm not really quite hooked. And this brand has a ton of real color to it. The owner, the founder's story, they do a really good job overall, but I'm curious why they don't lead with that. They also have, it's very similar to a product landing page. This homepage where it's a try it call to action, which I really like this soft call to action. And a lot of trust factors right underneath, where it tells you that you get free shipping, free frother, 25,000 plus 5-star reviews, certified on USDA organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, and all of that good jazz. And all of this is very good. I do wish that they had a more brand-focused lander, but here's what I really, really love. On top of the social proof, which they really laid into. There we go. What they do is they have a great product photo, a lifestyle product photo right here of their canister and a delicious beverage. And especially right now for the summer, look at this icy frothed goodness. Like, how do you say no to that? You just want to try it. So you do want to try it. Look, it works. So that's what I would suggest. Just a couple of small tweaks, but they do a really great job. Again, have a great product photo on your homepage. It's clean, it's focused right on one spot, and it's how delicious does that thing look. And again, when you're selling consumable products, food and beverage, make people feel like they can taste it. That's hard. You either have to do really high resolution photos of the product itself in really cool lifestyle settings, or show people reacting to it. So it's about the people. Next, so we're sold kind of on the product. I know that it's organic. I know that we have tried MUD WTR. It's kind of sitting around the house. We don't really know quite how to make it quite delicious. So that's something that the team has still, I know that they've done a lot of things to figure that out. They've remedied some of that later on, but I will keep scrolling. So underneath that, we have another call to action here, free frother with all starter kits. That's good to know. That's a call out that you might have missed from here. Then it's really good social proof. USA Today, Forbes, Business Insider, Vice, and all of these big publications and PR pieces that are here to validate all of these claims that we have about how it's good for you, better than coffee, the new ritual, and that sort of thing. Then they have more brand drivers. So this is all to validate our claims and make everything we say more impactful because it's validated by third parties, by reputable third parties. So it's what's on the inside that counts. It's a little bit of more brand specific stuff. So it's not product specific features, but brand specific features. So I like that. It's got this image. So what I'm guessing, this is actually a mushroom cap, but that's hard to say. So that's a little interesting. But I really like that. And they don't really tell you up front that it's USA grown mushrooms. Or they do, but it's not described as a mushroom alternative to coffee unless you really read into it. And 100% cacao Ayurvedic herbs and functional Ayurvedic. I don't even know what that means. Functional mushrooms, fraction of the caffeine. I wish this was a little more skimmable. That's one thing. Pop something with a little bit of text. Now, here's the cool part. They then drive straight into the product drivers, and the product drivers are product differentiation of their product line and helping people pick the product right for them. So they have the original, the cocoa, the matcha, turmeric, and rooibos. Now, we tried the original. We didn't quite like the original, and I'm a big sucker for cocoa. So they probably listened to some feedback and said, I don't really like the flavor. Or guess what? If you don't like the flavor, if subscribers are telling you that I'm not reordering multiple orders because I don't like the flavor, introduce new flavors. And they also make a very clear, first of all, the product photography is very nice and clear. That shows you exactly what comes in the box. You get this frother, box, creamers, coffee, but also it tells you the caffeine difference between all of them. So really like these. And then they really break it down. 30 servings, USB rechargeable frother, guidebook, free US shipping. Really good. Like this is, as far as an example of how to differentiate and list out your product line and help people navigate to the one they want, it's really good. And here's a really cool and a really innovative way to drive brand value. So they're very focused on brand, except for the very first page, very first splash banner. And here they talk about what it means to become a part of the MUD WTR family. Well, if you can change your mind, you can change anything. How powerful, like that's a philosophical statement that from a company actually you don't expect that kind of a big statement from a company. And everything from how we treat the planet, how we treat each other, how we treat ourselves starts within. So they talk about taking better care of your mind with their products, and then you are better. You're just better for everybody, or yourself, kinder, lovelier for yourself and people around you. Really dig this. Smart. Now, and they laid into this brand value even a little more. And here's the founder story, and this is the founder himself. And Shane talks about how I wasn't mad at coffee, I was just disappointed. I love this tagline. It's great. It gets a giggle. It gives you some color and some attitude to the brand. Makes you feel like, you know what? This is how I feel about this situation too. Like, why would I switch out of a coffee? So people have, I started dealing with lots of stress and sleep issues, and I love coffee, but it just didn't stop working for me. So, and then fundamentally, I really like this easy to browse, ask us anything, FAQ accordion, really powerful on landing pages, but also really powerful to put a heat map on this guy and see what people are clicking through to better understand what are the common stumbling blocks and what are people not finding answers to on the page itself. They have to resort to the FAQ. So it's really, really good. And then you have a few more lifestyle photos here, different people enjoying it. And then back to the starter kits. Guess what? It's all the same thing. They want you to go and pick out of these 4 kits. Isn't that wonderful? Keeps the decision very simple. So if I go ahead and I say, you know what, I want to try the original, or I want to try this thing. So and then it takes you to the morning ritual starter kit. So as you'll see, it's quite text heavy, and it's not like, oh, this button needs to be absolutely at the top of the page above the fold and so on and so forth. They understand that the value is in the copy. It's not, people don't buy because they can't find the buy button. They don't buy because they can't find a reason to buy. So a good morning ritual is a lead domino of a productive day. Great copy. I wish they punched it up with a few more bolded pieces just to make it a little easier to skim, but it is very, very brief and easy to read copy. If you're interested in MUD WTR, then welcome. You're smart. This book gives you all the things recommended to start. Includes this. I really like that. I do wish that they had a little bit of basically just to call out every single item, an arrow to call out every single item. I find that those work really well. Original mushroom coffee alternative, a little bit of that kind of nutritional facts, a little bit more product benefits, smart way to use a PDP. And then Get Started tells you it's clear what the price is. There's no subscription selection. There's no one-time upsell. It's either subscription or nothing. So I really, really dig this. This is smart. And it just tells you that ships every 30 days, adjust shipments or cancel anytime, free US shipping and free frother. This is everything you really need. It's like how much, like it's $40. Here's exactly what you get. And you know we're already a cool brand, and this product will promise you it's really good. And also, here's our review count. So you can scroll down to that. So it will count. It's what's on the inside that counts. Again, coming back to it, the mind, body, and this brand highlights the connection between why our product is connected to our mission, which is we give you a healthier mind, less jitters, less anxiety, and you make the difference in the world. So I really dig that. So now they have visual images of all the things that they include. The chaga, the reiki, the cordyceps. And here's the cool thing. If you're a food and beverage brand, showing the ingredients is a lot more powerful than just listing them, because let me tell you, do you know what chaga looks like? Do you know what reiki looks like? Do you know what cordyceps mushroom looks like? Lion's mane? No. So showing these things, beautiful photography, is really, really, really cool. Big fan of this because it brings value into every single piece. Now, notice how simple this page is. There's no upsells, there's no cross sells, there's no bundles, there's no get these 3 things if you want to sign up. It's simple, get started, $40, get started. That's it. And guess what? Once you click get started, does it try to upsell you on something else? No, it just takes you to checkout and just wants you to, oh, never mind, I'm a liar. It's trying to upsell you some creamer, some sweet creamer and some other creamer. So I'm generally not a huge fan of in-checkout upsells, especially because at this point, the decision is not what else do I get. The decision is how do I get this to my house? And how fast can I do it? So basically, speed kills. This needs to be simple. So let's keep it at that. Now, overall, fantastic sign up. And again, notice the simplicity of how simple this product is and the entire decision-making flow. They said they built a massive brand around a very, very simple process of here's our starter packs, here's our product line, try it out. So big fan. Overall, that brings it to the end. That wraps up our Stealing from the Greats episode. If you like this kind of content, subscribe, leave comments if you have any subscription, Shopify, any sort of related questions. And if you want a teardown of your own, feel free to reach out to us. I'll have a landing page for people like you, and we'll be happy to present you with a 15-minute teardown of your own website. That about wraps it up. So leave comments, leave questions, reach out if you would like a teardown. That's that. And remember, you don't have to be big to be great. Cheers.